Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming where your Sims 4 files live and why that matters. Mods, saves, and tray are stored in the Electronic Arts folder. First, open File Explorer and enable hidden items and file extensions so you don't miss folders. Next, identify the platform you use to install the game, Origin, eApp, or Steam, because default paths differ. Once done, navigate to your Documents folder and look for the Electronic Arts folder as the primary starting point. Now you go inside Electronic Arts and search for the Sims 4 directory to access content like mods and saves. You'll see subfolders named Mods, Tray, Saves, and Screenshots. Each holds different user data: mods for custom content, saves for households, tray for exported lots. If you don't find it in Documents, make sure to check Program Files, x86, or Steam Apps/Common/The Sims 4, because installations from clients sometimes place game data with the program files instead of documents. Finally, confirm you have the right Electronic Arts folder by checking timestamps, file sizes, and presence of expected subfolders. If you still cannot find it, use the system search for The Sims 4 or Electronic Arts to reveal hidden locations. Make sure to run the repair tool in Origin or the EA app if files or folders are missing. Repairing often recreates necessary directories without losing saves. If problems persist, double-check user account paths and cloud save settings to avoid confusion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.